Hi, I'm Laura from Delphi, and today we are going to be looking at our options for replacing a diesel injector. Of course, there's always the new option, which is exactly as you would expect for a completely new injector. But are there any alternatives? Well, yes. Here at Delphi, we have two. Let's take a closer look at repair and remanufactured, or reman for short. With the new unit, you can be assured of a quality product. With always new parts and proven build, test, pack and scan controls, every injector is in perfect working condition. However, the new unit does have a higher carbon footprint than the other two options. With the reman unit, you get several components reclaimed from an exchange unit. However, all the key components are replaced. So that is your control valve, your nozzle, the O-ring, the lock label, cap nut, mesh or laser drilled filter. This option is far more environmentally friendly than a new unit, and you still get the same warranty. When it comes to a repair part, components are replaced based on their condition or level of wear. The cap nut, nozzle, and control valve should always be replaced, but the rest can be left for the technician to decide. Now, the visual appearance of the injector will differ. Injector bodies are always reused, but their condition may vary. The repairer will decide on the warranty period. Both the aftermarket repair injector and the reman unit are put through the same rigorous testing as the new unit. They are calibrated through the same test routines and number of test points as the OE new unit. They are all given a trim code of C2I, C3I, or C4I if they are supplied by Delphi or one of our authorized repairers. Hopefully that gives you some insight into your options when it comes to replacing a diesel injector. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to follow us on social media or visit the Masters of Motion online hub. And for more expert-led courses, why not check out the Delphi Academy?